set down here. Jumped in a car today. Heading over to a friend's house. See if I can't fix her car. See what's going on with it. She said it won't start. So we're gonna head over there. See if we can't get that fixed. Put the car through a car wash just a little while ago, trying to clean it up. It's been forever since I've driven it or had it washed, so had to do that. Now heading over there to her house, see if I can't fix her car. She said it might be just a battery, which if it is, that'd be a really simple fix, but I brought a voltmeter just in case to check the battery. So we're over here and we did a test on her battery, like I said earlier. It's coming over here to see what's wrong with my friend's car, and I'm getting 8 volts. Let me see if I can get this thing to getting 8 volts on our battery, and as I suspected, it was probably going to be a battery. So at 8 volts, just sitting here, and then when she hits the key, it drops down to 6 volts. So we're going to take the battery out and take it to get load tested to see if that's the actual culprit. I suspect it is, but we're going to take it over to find out for sure. Give me a hug. This is my beautiful niece. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, hi. Give me a hug. Oh, love you, love you, love you. She's playing with her Barbies while I work on Mommy's car. Yes. The local guard dog from the canine unit. Hello, Chico. And their feline cage 6. How you doing, kitty cat? I don't want to see your butt. Cade's like, nah, forget it. I'm just gonna lay here and attack the dog when it runs by. Her battery is bad, so we're putting a new battery in, and I'm gonna test the load with the alternator. So it started up, obviously, and with it running, it's piping out 14 volts, so that's a good alternator as well. So, yep, that's all I needed, just a battery. High five.
Yay!
So, that's fixed. All you have to do is change out a battery, is take this bolt out down there. It has it's like a clip. You take that out and the clip, you unloosen the bolt for negative terminal, unloosen a bolt from the positive terminal, and just they pop right off. Put the new battery down, put the clip back in there. That holds the battery in place so it doesn't go anywhere. Put the little shield back on, then put the new terminals back on and retighten them up. And you're golden. She's running, ready to go. And that's all for now. Till next time.